How to start affiliate marketing step by step. Affiliate marketing is a type of market in which one person sells the product of any company or brand and earns the commission. Simply they search for a product and advertise the product and get a small profit from every product they sell. You work as a salesperson of the company and the company rewards you on every sale. Be realistic and determined if you want to become a successful affiliate. How does it work? Each product has a unique link that is given by the merchant to the affiliate so that they can track who is responsible for the sale. When someone clicks the link, a small file is stored on the device, and this small file is known as a cookie. This cookie is helpful to the merchant attribute so that the sale back to the right person, and also this cookie holds an expiration date so that you get paid even if the buyer delays their purchase. Here I'll discuss an example. Imagine a visitor visit your profile after seeing a post of best mobile cover. They click one of your affiliate links and this link leads them to a product that is available on Amazon. But then they realize they have to wind up some important tasks and they forget to buy mobile covers. At night, they visit the profile again and they remember that they have to buy laptop stands too. And they click on the affiliate link for laptop stands and a cookie was stored on their device. Because Amazon has a 24-hour cookie duration, you get compensated for both the mobile covers and laptop stands even though you didn't promote the latter. Here we'll discuss 8 steps for beginners that are quite helpful for starting affiliate marketing. Number 1, decide on a platform. First, you have to decide on the platform. You can work on any platform, either it is YouTube or Instagram. I think YouTube or any blog is best for building a huge amount of audience. You can start your blog and it is very cheap. After this, optimizes it for search engines so that you have a better chance of ranking. The best platform is the first step towards success. Number 2, concentrate on one niche. If you want to become a successful affiliate, then you have to stick with one niche. You have to choose only one niche in which you are an expert and you have great knowledge about that niche. Only promote one niche on your site. If you want to promote other niches, then you can create other sites for them, but don't spread yourself too thin, because that will lead to thin content sites. Simply concentrate on one niche only. Number 3, create great content. If you want success in affiliate marketing, then you have to improve your content. You have to create high quality content so that your links fit naturally. Content is very important in every field. If you are good at creating high quality content, then you will be successful. Number 4, set proper expectations. You have to set the proper expectations. You are not going to make $1 million in a month. You need to set realistic expectations. Many affiliates spend a set amount of time to build out their original sites, then commit to a smaller amount to keep adding content while starting a new site. Whether you have a single site with concentrated ongoing development or several initially smaller sites, set goals and work towards accomplishing them. Focus on one site. Be realistic and determined. This is a key that will lead you towards success. Number 5, always be testing and improving. Always be testing and improving leads you towards success. If you are a beginner, then you have to do a test for better experience and improvement. You should always be trying to improve your process. Test length, use of schema, different art, and other factors. Affiliate marketing, like any learning process, is an ongoing effort. While many of the steps above can be implemented at the start, you want to learn and improve as you go. Number 6, find affiliate programs to join. There are 3 types of affiliate programs to choose from. This will help the beginner to become a successful affiliate. These 3 types are given below. Number 1, high-paying, low-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for niche products with high payouts. For example, the Bluehost affiliate program is super popular in the web hosting space. With their plans starting at $2.95 per month and one-time payouts starting at $65 plus, the cost barrier is low, and the commissions are high. After you sign up for their program, you get credit for referrals up to 45 days after the first click. Payments occur between the 16th and the end of each month, and you'll need at least $100 to release your payment. Number 2, low-paying, high-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for products with low payouts but mass appeal. For example, take PS4 games. Lots of people play PS4, but the average cost of a game is only around $50, and affiliate commissions are usually in the single digits. This means you earn $2 to $3 per sale if you're lucky. Number 3. High-paying, high-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for products with mass appeal, which also pay high commissions. One example is credit cards. Number 7. Know your products. This is an important step if you want to be successful. Knowledge can distinguish you from your competitors. You have to know about your products. As an affiliate, you are making recommendations to your visitors of various products, so to stand out you need to be seen as an expert or at least a place to get detailed information about the products you promote. Number 8. Dedicate the time. To become successful you need to put the time in. Your time is important for a successful journey. Success will come with continuous effort and consistency. Affiliate marketing requires an ongoing effort, so be prepared and allocate regular time for your efforts. Also, don't forget to watch these videos: how to lose 10 kilograms in 8 days and 15 cardio exercises you can do instead of running.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more videos.